Hey everyone! Tony! What a beautiful and shiny day it is today! I'm really glad that you decided to go out instead of spending your day in front of the computer. Hey, be careful, Tony. I think that dog is up to something. First of all, don't panic and don't scream. The dog can feel your fear and it will attack you even faster then. Don't move and don't try to run away because the dog is faster than you. Moreover, seeing you run can bring out its natural instinct of chasing its prey. Just stand still. Don't move your arms and don't look it in the eyes. You have to be calm and make sure the dog doesn't see you as a threat. Otherwise, it will try to neutralize the threat as fast as possible. It's not attacking you, but it's not going away. So, what you need to do is try to distract the dog with an object. For example, you could carefully throw your bottle of water at the dog. It might start chewing it and you will have time to escape unnoticed. It's not working. It looks like you are more interesting than the bottle. Well, let's try to wear the dog down. Press your hands against your body and don't move. But remember, you have to face the dog at all times. It will reduce the chance of an attack, because only specially trained dogs will attack you from the front. A street dog will try to get around you and attack you from the back. So, stay in one place, keep spinning, and face the dog. And let's hope that the dog will grow tired of this game and go. Phew! All's well that ends well, right, Tony? So, just in case, I'm gonna tell you what to do if a dog attacks you. First, try to shield yourself using anything you have at hand. It could be a backpack, a stick, or something like that. Try to protect your face, your neck, and your chest. A dog bite in these parts of the body can be lethal. If the dog does bite you, you have to clean the wound and patch it up as soon as possible, and then go straight to the doctor, of course. Dogs carry dangerous and deadly diseases like tetanus and rabies. But don't worry, the doctor will know what to do and will give you the treatment you need. Fortunately, medicine is pretty advanced in our days. Before we go, allow me to say that dogs aren't evil or dangerous creatures. On the contrary, they are very sweet and kind. So if you don't hurt animals, they won't try to hurt you back. Love all creatures, great and small. They need our care more than we need theirs. Tell us in the comments if you ever crossed paths with an aggressive dog and what happened next. The most interesting or funny story will be featured in our next episode. Well, it's time to go and we'll see you on the next episode of Super Tony. Bye-bye!